Egypt is one of those places that stays with you forever. But only if you pack right. Start with light, breathable fabrics, cotton, linen, nothing too clingy. It gets hot. But Egypt is conservative, so bring a few long sleeves, loose trousers, or maxi dresses, especially for temples, mosques, or even a Nile cruise dinner. Pack comfy shoes, sandals for casual strolls, and sturdy sneakers for exploring tombs and ancient ruins. Your feet will thank you. Sunscreen? Must. Sunglasses? Always. A hat and a refillable water bottle? Lifesavers. Throw in a travel fan or cooling towel. It's a dry heat, but it's real. Don't forget a universal adapter. Egypt uses the Euro plug, and a basic first aid kit. Trust me, having meds on hand for tummy troubles is a power move. Pack smart and travel light. Egypt has everything else waiting for you. And hey, don't forget your e-visa before you fly. Link in bio for your Egypt e-visa.